Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, unhandled exception has occurred in your application error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check for malware. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Okay. Now click on next, select full scan, click on next and then let it run through. The next solution is a clean boot. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open System Configuration. Go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide All Microsoft Services. If any of the service is checked, click on Disable All, Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And lastly, an SFC scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc // scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.